80s, there was a best-selling book by a pastor and author named Robert Fulghum called All I Really Need to Know I Learned in Kindergarten. Now, I'm sure you're thinking, really? Now he tells this to me? This book of pithy essays shared the wisdom of remembering basic social and life skills that are taught to children as young as 5. Things like sharing, playing fairly, cleaning up your own mess, apologizing when you hurt someone, and taking naps. It's not bad advice, and many of the people who get headlines these days could benefit from taking it. If all billionaires shared like Mackenzie Scott, the world would be a better place. Social media companies might consider cleaning up the mess they've made by spreading misinformation that has led to real harm. And as for taking naps, we all might look to the example set by Simone Biles, who holds an honorary degree from WashU, and who showed the world that even the greatest of all time can make time for their health and still reach new heights. I'm going to suggest this morning that maybe you didn't learn everything you needed to know in kindergarten. Maybe you learned a thing or two here at WashU, and together we could come up with a new bestseller. We could call it 4 Years of Wisdom in 5 Minutes. I'll get us started, and maybe over your lunch or dinner celebrations, you can come up with some of your own WashU words of wisdom. First, at WashU we seek to know each student by name and story. This isn't about small class sizes or low student to faculty ratio, though those things help. This is about really seeing the people around us, noticing what matters to them and when they are struggling, learning from people who live and think differently than we do, and finding meaningful ways to support others. In kindergarten, the teacher learns your name on day 1. We do well to remember that people never outgrow that need to be seen and accepted just as they are. A second piece of wisdom we learn at WashU is to get back up when we fall. In kindergarten, this is literal. At WashU, the falls are different, but they are just as inevitable. The fellowship you didn't get, the chemistry exam that made you question whether med school was in your future, the relationship that ended badly, a complete rewrite of your thesis. Hopefully, you learned that failure isn't fatal, and it's certainly not final. Through your failures, you learn to ask for help, to revise your approach, to open your mind to paths you've never considered, to listen to the small voice inside that whispers, there is something better for you if you just keep going. Learning that you can do hard things, that lesson will take you far. And finally, we learn that rules make room for play. In kindergarten, the playground is full of joy because there are fences to keep us safe. At WashU, you learn this paradox over and over. The tight deadline forced you to stop overthinking and just write. The rigid structure of scales and intervals allowed you to improvise. And precise lab protocols allowed you to discover something new. As you leave here, you may be looking forward to having more freedom, fewer boundaries, and fewer commitments. But remember, it's the practice, the routine, or the structure that makes room for the extraordinary. It's discipline that enables creativity. If I'm being real, graduates, you didn't learn all you need to know in kindergarten, or even at WashU, but you did learn a lot. How to think critically, how to bounce back from failure, how to work with people different from you, how to set yourself up for success, and much, much more. But if you're lucky, your life of learning is just getting started, and there's no syllabus, no TA, no office hours. So take what you've learned here, in the classroom and beyond, and lean on the simple truths to guide you and steady you as you face new, harder questions. And when that even doesn't help, channel your inner kindergartner and go ahead and take that nap. You have certainly earned it. Class of 2025, thank you for all that you've brought to our community. Congratulations on your incredible accomplishments, and please come back and visit us often. Thank you all very much, and congratulations.